How to sign into Cigna account online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign into Cigna account online. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now, you want to head over to cigna.com. As soon as you do that, you will land on this web page. Here, you want to click on the option of log in to my Cigna. Once you click on this option, it will take you to another page. Over here, you have the login portal. Go ahead and enter your username. After that, you want to enter your password. Once you have entered both the details, you want to click on the login option. If your details are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. Click on forgot username if you have forgotten your username. Click on forgot password in case you have forgotten your password, and from there you will be able to reset that. If you are new to this and you want to create an account, click on the register option. Then from here, go through all of this, scroll down and click on the start registration option. Now you want to enter all these details and then you will be able to create a new account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.